If you want to know how to get Claude Max for free, this video is for you. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how the Claude for Open Source program works, who qualifies, and how to apply step by step so you can potentially get 6 months of free Claude Max 20 times. This is a great opportunity for open source contributors, maintainers, and community builders who are already doing real work that helps the ecosystem. And if this video helps you out, please take a second to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's understand what this offer actually is. The Claude for Open Source program is Claude's way of thanking open source contributors for the work they do. If you qualify, you may receive 6 months of free Claude Max 20x, which can be extremely useful if you're building, maintaining, or contributing to an important project. But before you apply, you need to make sure you meet the eligibility requirements. There are a few ways to qualify. The first category is maintainers and library authors. This means you maintain packages or libraries that other developers build on. To qualify through this path, your project should have at least 500 dependent repos or 100 dependent packages, or 200,000 combined monthly downloads across registries like npm, pypi, crates.io, RubyGems, or similar platforms. The second category is core contributors. If you're a listed committer or maintainer on a recognized foundation or language project, you may qualify this way. Examples include CPython, Rust, Node.js, Apache, CNCF, Kubernetes, the Linux kernel, Django, Rails, and similar projects. If you're part of one of these major ecosystems, this is the route to use. The third category is active contributors. If you've authored 100 or more pull requests that were merged into repos you do not own in the last 12 months, that's another possible path to eligibility. This is for people who contribute consistently across the open source community. The fourth category is community builders. If one of your repositories has had 20 or more unique external contributors with merged pull requests in the last 12 months, you may qualify under this option. This shows that your project is bringing in outside contributors and creating a healthy community. And the fifth category is critical infrastructure. If any repo you maintain has an OpenSSF criticality score of 0.4 or above, that may also make you eligible. So as you can see, Claude is looking for real open source impact, not just casual use. Now let's go through the application process. To apply, open your browser and go to claude.com/contact-sales/claude-for-OSS. I'll repeat that clearly so you can follow along. claude.com/contact-sales/claude-for-OSS. Once the page loads, you'll see the application form. Start by entering your first name, last name, and email address. Make sure you use the email you check regularly because Claude may contact you there with updates or follow-up information. Next, connect your GitHub account and select the repository that best represents your open source work. This part is important, so choose the repo that clearly shows your contribution and impact. After that, you'll see a section asking you to describe your project's reach and impact. This is where you should explain things like download numbers, GitHub activity, who depends on the project, or the gap it fills in the ecosystem. Be specific here. The more clearly you show why your project matters, the better. Then you'll need to answer the question about how you will use the subscription for your project. This is your chance to explain how Claude Max will help you maintain documentation, improve your codebase, support contributors, review issues, or move your project forward. Keep it honest, clear, and focused on the actual project benefit. Once everything is filled out, review your answers carefully and click Submit. After that, your application is sent for review. If approved, you'll get access to the complimentary 6-month subscription. And just so you know how it works at the end of the period, Claude says your complimentary subscription ends after 6 months, and they'll email you before it does. If you had a paid plan before, it will resume at your previous plan and rate unless you cancel. If you did not have a paid plan, your account simply returns to the free plan. That means there are no surprises later, but it's still important to keep track of the end date if you're using the offer. So that's the full process for how to get Claude Max for free through the Claude for Open Source program. Check whether you qualify, fill out the form carefully, explain your project clearly, and submit your application. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.